2 tips of the many that can literally change your entire financial life. These 2 tips are so easy, are so basic, that they might just frustrate you that why haven't I been doing them all along? They literally will change your entire financial life. Just do them, right? Give it a 2-week trial. You'll notice a massive financial change. These aren't the 2 top tips, they're just 2 beautiful tips. Step 1, make a budget. Now, let me explain before you click off this stupid video. I like to do, on top of a piece of paper, I'm gonna write emergency budget committee. On the left side, I do all my incomes. On the right side, I do all of my bills. I do the math right in the middle, I do plus or minus, whatever I'm at, and I circle it. We're just gonna talk extremely basic for this. I make another video that's super in-depth about this. Literally, that first single tip, now this isn't the #1 tip of all time, but it literally will change your entire existence. You're gonna do it every 3 days. Piece of paper, emergency budget committee, underline it. Left side, all of your incomes. I know probably right now you just have 1 single income, but that's okay. After I'm done with you, you'll have many, many. I currently make 20, sometimes 25,000 a month, literally a month. I have, I don't know, probably 8 sources of income, something like that, a ton of income. Because if one fails or one comes up short, the other can still feed me. I have lots and lots of income. Anyway, so even if you have 1 income, put it there. Put all your bills there, do the math, boom. Next, stop eating out. Stop eating out. I know that this is so basic and you're like, I already know this. Just stop eating out. If you have a choice between stopping at McDonald's for breakfast and not eating breakfast, skip breakfast. Starve yourself. A little bit of punishment that you should have woke up early and made your own breakfast. This isn't about starve yourself. It's about stop eating out. Make your own breakfast, right? Or make your own lunch, make your own dinner. Stop eating out. Give this a 2-week trial. 2-week trial. Every 3 days, you're gonna do an emergency budget committee. Every day, you're gonna not eat out. I guarantee even after 2 weeks, you will literally have so much extra money, you'll be like, that is shocking. I don't understand it. We're gonna stop the video there. We're gonna keep it extremely short, but interesting. Something to think about. Stop being a lazy cow and do these 2 things. Just give them a try. See you next time.